Hey guys, if you like to walk or you like to bike, you like parks, greenery, you happen to be in Amsterdam East, there is this terrain, this park.
Countryside.
It's country, a little bit of countryside, yeah. And you can, I think, the countryside. Yeah, and I think you can rent some sailboats over there if you would like.
It's a natural swimming pool here as well.
Yeah, and people love to swim here when the weather is nice. Yeah, it's really nice. You can hear the birds. You can hear so many birds chirping. Doing a little dance. It's nice, beautiful. It's a beautiful summer day. About time. Oh, and I see swan.